Sobrang bait and sobrang talino po ni Ate Nina. Sobrang proud po ako sa achievements niya and sana mas dumami pa po yung achievements niya and sana magandang future po siya.
I can see a light shining on out of the dark, breaking through the clouds. It all begins right now. It starts.
Sana pagbutihan niya pang kanyang pag-aaral at bawasan ng pagiging masungit at mahal na mahal ko siya. Proud na proud ako sa kanya.
Let's welcome Janina Angel May Leah!
It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling.
Everything you went through and everything you're going through will be worth it in the end. I know that because I've witnessed all of your crash outs, your breakdowns, and tantrums. But even after all of that, you still managed to pick yourself back up like nothing happened. I know that for a fact you'll reach all of your dreams and goals in life, but I will still pray and hope for that because you deserve them more than anything. Happy 18th birthday to my favorite cousin. I love and appreciate you so much.
I'ma need to hear you say it out loud.
Si Janina, malambing na bata yan, napakalambing. Mabait, very thoughtful siya. Ngayong birthday niya, ngayong 18 na siya, ma-achieve niya lahat ng goals niya, lahat ng mga pangarap niya sa buhay, ma-accomplish niya, marating niya.
It's always soft, how your kiss is always hit, how your nose is sweater. Green eye French boy got me tripping on that accent of your lips, how your tongue do all those tricks, how your nose is sweater. Kiss me under the Paris twilight, kiss me out on the moonlit floor, kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me.
Si Janina, masayang bata yan. Mahilig sumayaw, malambing. Yung lagi siyang nagpapatawa. Kagaya kahapon, yung napanood niya na I love mo. So nagiging mongo siya.
Kahit walang ginagawa yung kuya niya, sinusubong niya parang nag-enjoy siyang, kunwari pinapagalitan si kuya niya. Para sa akin, masaya yon. Yun ang masayang alaala niya sa akin.
Accent of your lips, how your tongue do all those tricks, how your nose is sweater. Kiss
Pressure from the summer turned pretty.
Paris twilight, kiss me out on the moonlit floor, kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Ooh la la la. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Ooh la la la. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Ooh la la la. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me.